Hello everyone, my name is Emad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to work with matrix on MATLAB. For example, let's define matrix 2 by 4, like 1, 5, 6, 0, and 2, 10, minus 5, and 4. So this is matrix X. Then one way to access elements of this matrix is using the index of the element that you're looking for. For example, I wanna see the element at row 1 in column 3. Then you see that this element 6 is shown. Or I wanna do some operation between element row 2 and column 2 plus element row 1 and last column. Then you see this is 10 because x22 is 10 and x at first row and the last column is 0. So 10 plus 0 is 10. Now if you wanna see the whole elements of specific row, for example, I wanna see the all elements of the second row, I write 2 at row indices and colon operator at columns, which means all columns. Then it's gonna represent the second row, 210, minus 5, and 4. Also, if you wanna represent the all elements of a specific column, for example, the third column, all rows, you can write like this. And it's gonna show the all elements of the third column, which is 6 and minus 5. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a good life.